Hey guys, it's Shannon, and today we are back in my dining room area. So I have my November Walmart grocery haul. You'll notice I did not get a whole lot like I usually do. Today's total only came to about $60, and that is including dog food. Grandma's going on a trip in about 2 weeks, and then we also have Thanksgiving. So we're not going to do a whole bunch of shopping at the beginning of the month because we're going to be needing to get a good amount of things towards the end of the month because of Thanksgiving, and because of her trip I'll need food here at the house and stuff. So yeah, we're just kind of waiting on that and everything. But let me show you what we got now, and yeah. So the first thing I got her were these two Stouffer's classic lasagnas with meat and sauce. I don't like lasagna, but she loves it. I got this for myself to try. I've never tried like frozen sushi, but this is a California roll, which is my favorite kind of sushi, and I saw it and I decided to try it. It wasn't very much, it was only like $2 or $3, so I thought I'd get it and try it. These are my favorite noodles. I like to use them, like I like to just eat them by themselves, or I like to put them in like chicken noodle soup or something. So I got 2 packs of those, and then I got some strawberries. I got my dog food. I get the Purina One Smart Blend Sensitive Systems. You know, my dogs have really sensitive stomachs, so this is the only kind they can eat without getting sick. Alright, moving back over here, I got 3 pomegranates. They had a huge, like, booth set up just of pomegranates, and I've only ever seen, like, little things of pomegranates, like little containers full of pomegranates. I've never seen a big, huge box. But I got 3 pomegranates, and I'll cut these up and put the seeds in a big bowl and then take it for lunch one day or something. Not all 3 of them, but I'll take some for lunch. And then I got some bananas. I got 4 cans of French style green beans. I've been on a green bean kick, like that's all I want lately. And I got some more butter. We use the I can't believe it's not butter. And I got myself some more Life water. This is my favorite water to drink. I don't know why, I just love it so much. And then I got some blackberries, which I've already had some of these, and they are so good. They're really sweet. There's been a couple sour ones, but these are really nice. Then I got this. It's new, and I decided to try it. It's the Marie Callender's Family Recipes, and it's got premium penny pasta and Alfredo seasoning blend. So I'll probably add chicken to it and we'll try it out. It looked nice, and it was only like $2, so it wasn't too much money. I threw it on the floor. Oh my gosh. Then I got myself some Triscuits. I love these just to snack on. And my stomach's been hurting a lot lately, so I've been eating crackers like crazy. So there's those. And then I got Grandma some Ritz crackers. It's getting really cold here lately, so we've been eating a lot of soups. But yeah, also ignore my background mess. I need to clean in here. But yeah, so that is everything that I got today. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Sorry it's not too big. The video wasn't too long, but I thought I would share it with you guys because you all seem to like these videos. And yeah, so I'm going to end this here. Yeah, so this is my Sunday video, and then I'll have my favorites video I'm planning on having up Tuesday, and then my empties video for the month will be up Thursday probably, or the other way around, whichever way I film it. I don't know, you know me, I'm crazy sometimes. But yeah, so I think that's it for today. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.